Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this video, I'd like to take a look at differences between the German spoken in Austria and the German spoken in Switzerland. This tutorial deals with 12 words that are not the same in Austrian German and in Swiss German. We will cover greetings, animals, French influences, and famous Swiss words. So let's find out the most important differences. The learning goal of this tutorial is to learn 12 words that are different in Austria and in Switzerland. The differences can be found mainly in spoken form. In written form, Standard German is the better choice. Let's start with a word for saying hello. If you follow the Austrian German tutorial, you know that the common form of greeting in Austria is Grüß Gott, Grüß Gott. In Switzerland, the famous way to greet is Grüetzi, Grüetzi. In the morning, the word breakfast plays an important role. In Austria, we say Frühstück, Frühstück. In Switzerland, the word Zmorge is used, Zmorge. For breakfast, you may need a kitchen cabinet. In Austria, this is called Küchenkastel or Kuchikastel. In Switzerland, Kuchikästli means kitchen cabinet, Kuchikästli. By the way, there is one Austrian state, namely Vorarlberg, which dialect is closer to Swiss German than to Austrian German. If you're interested in it, please check out the video about it. Furthermore, there are different terms for bicycle in Austrian German and in Swiss German. For instance, in Austria people say Radl, Radl. The verb would be Radlfahren, Radlfahren. In Switzerland, the word Velo is common, Velo. Here you can see the French influence. Another example of the French influence can be seen when it comes to the term tires. In Austria we say Reifen, Reifen. In Swiss German you come across the word Pneu, Pneu. The next two words deal with small animals. First, a little cat is called Katzel in Austria, Katzel. In Switzerland, a small cat is called Büsi, Büsi. Second, a little mouse means Mausel in Austria, Mausel. In Swiss German, a little mouse means Muesli, Muesli. In this case, the context is important, because Muesli can also mean muesli. Now let's focus on a day of the week, namely Saturday. In Austria, Saturday means Samstag or Samstag. In Swiss German, Saturday is called Samstag, Samstag. On a Saturday, you might be at home, so the word slippers could be useful. In Austrian German, the word schlapfen is often used, schlapfen. In Switzerland, you may come across the term Finkre, Finkre. Additionally, we can take a look at the word interruption. In Austria we say Unterbrechung, Unterbrechung. In Switzerland you also hear Unterbrachung, Unterbrachung. Furthermore, there is a huge difference between Austria and Switzerland when it comes to the word handkerchief. Austrians mainly use the Standard German form Taschentuch or Taschentuch. In Swiss German, we find the term Nostürchli, Nos Türchli. Finally, we cover another way to greet in Switzerland. In Austria, the word Servus is often used, Servus. In Swiss German, the greeting Solway is very common, Solway. I hope I could give you a little insight into the differences between Austrian German and Swiss German. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Solway. Auf Wiedersehen. Servus.